But what we're interested in, and this is a big part of Zoho CRM, is the deals. And you can jump to the deal. Obviously, any company or account could have multiple deals. You can edit information again. Anything that you want to do, you can add an attachment of the quote. If you want to see the quote in the free version, you can't do a quote in Zoho CRM. On paid versions, have a look at Zoho 1. You can create a quote. You can create a signed e-document and send it to them. But in the free version, you can't. But you can attach the quotes. If you've got another program you do quotes on, you can attach it, right? So here's going to be the name, the status, the probability. So I think the probability will affect. Oh, did I click edit? Why? Oh, let's go up here. Can I edit? I can edit it here, and I can edit the probability, right? I don't know why I don't let me do it, but as I do that, it's going to put up the expected revenue. So what you can do with this probability, so say you're best friends with Tio, or you're very good friends, and you've had this initial chat with him, and you've gone. Tio's probably said, look, if you can come in under 10,000, this job's yours. So it's 100% chance you're getting it in. Then the expected revenue goes to 10,000, right? If it's 70, goes to 7,000. So it adjusts your pipeline expected revenue down. If you've had a chat and you don't think you're getting a job, what you're going to do is you're going to look for the jobs with the high revenue, right? The high probability. So you're saying 80% probability. Sorry, I know you probably understand this, but you're going to go to your deals, and if you have them in order here, you've got probability here. So if you go to send in, and you've got this job, Benton, 20% chance, or you've got this job, Camden News, 80% chance. You've stated that you think you're going to get this job, so concentrate on the ones that you thought you were going to get and get those deals done. So if you need to filter on, you've got 100 deals to do, but you've got 10 of them that are just tire kickers. I'd be going to the high probability ones and saying, right, I thought this person were going to sign off. Let me get this deal over the line today. So information, next step, you might put in here send quote, or it might be site visit, or it might be talk to inventory, get some pricing, whatever it is. You can go through, add some more notes. You're getting the drift of it now, I'm sure. Any information, any emails, and your job here is to move this along. And there's two ways of doing it, as I've showed you before. You can just tick them along. Proposal sent. TO's been sent a proposal, and now we're in negotiate and review. Or proposal price quote. Well, you can jump it around there. I think that's new. And TO's received the quote, and you're in negotiations. Phoned up. Oh, we might need an extra door. Oh, we need to remove that from the quote. Oh, we need to do that, right? And if you go back to your deals here and go into this Kanban style, you can see we're in negotiate, right? And you can move your pipeline across this way as well. So you can quickly look at all your different deals and what stages they're at and go, oh no, I've done that. Move them across. Needs analysis. Yeah, we're in ID decision maker on that one, right? You can quickly move your stages, and you want to get to close one, close loss as fast as possible, don't you? So if I go back into, where were we? Commercial press. What did I just do? Camden. That Paul test does me in. Where has it gone? Oh no, it's not close loss. It's over here. Proposal. Did I move it? Every now and again when I do these videos, look, I always just like blank out on whatever else. So proposal, we're going to go in, we're going to win it, right? So the whole dream is to get to closed one. Tick the box. Amount, now you can put in the actual amount. The quote's actually 12,000. You can put in the date that you closed it, today or yesterday. Closed one, save. Hallelujah. I think in the feeds you're gonna get a pull one a deal. Yeah, deal Camden, updated a deal. Right, I think you're gonna get an email. And anybody who's tagged, great news, you have a major deal from Camden News. Big deal alert, here we are. Congrats. So your boss or anybody who needs to see it, your manager can see that you've just signed off on that deal and you've won it. And we're now got to that we're through. We're on to our next deal. We've handed it off to the techs, to the training, to whoever has to now deliver the product. Oh, they're done. Now, let's just go back and do the opposite that we want to get to. The other thing is, if we've lost the deal, we need to get the deals off the table, right? We want to get to a won or lost. And, here we go. You just click lost. You might put in a reason, too pricey, coming back when I have more money, whatever it might be. Close lost to competition, because this is different to just losing because you've lost, they didn't want your work. This is, lost to Secure Tech were 7k, right? Way too cheap. No deal for that. Whatever it might be, right? Some other companies come in and lowballed you. But you want to see why have you lost why are you losing jobs, who you're losing them to, and the reasons, don't you? So if you are getting outpriced all the time, then you probably have to look at your pricing, or if they're just not coming over the line, whatever it might be. And then you are done with your deal, right? So that is the full pipeline, start to finish from a lead.